All right, so this video is an intro on alcohols. Alcohols are hydrocarbons with a hydroxyl group substituent. We've seen these already when we had a reaction, like say that hydration of a butene, that's supposed to be an H plus there, where you would end up with that hydroxyl group. And I told you guys that that was called an alcohol, right? So now we're just going to be more specific, start naming those things, talk about lots of different types of alcohols and reactions that they'll do. But again, it's just that hydroxyl group that makes something an alcohol. So this is an ethyl alcohol, an ethanol molecule. That's the one that you would think of if you were talking about recreational alcohol, which obviously you guys aren't supposed to really be worried about since you're not 21 yet. But otherwise, it's important to point out that there's lots of different kinds of alcohol, because this would be a methanol. This would be isopropyl alcohol that could also be called rubbing alcohol. And those things are not something that you can adjust, right? Those would be toxic, poisonous, could make you go blind. So you have to understand the difference between different kinds of alcohols because they're not all the same, right? Otherwise, we're going to have rings for our alcohols. They could even be aromatic rings. So remember that phenyl that we talked about last chapter, even though we didn't really use it much, right? Now it's going to come up more frequently.